Okay, in the front of the house, there's going to be another downspout, or a downspout right here on this corner, but it's going to be on this other side. So I got to finish digging by hand a hole to connect into this trench, and then there will be an additional downspout right here where that flag pole holder is. And the fun part is going to be digging the hole under this sidewalk. So those two are going to connect together and run out to the road. There's going to be one right here next to this bay window on the left and the right, and I have to dig a hole to connect those together under the sidewalk down to the road. And then there will be one on this corner. So I gotta do 3 holes underneath the sidewalk tomorrow. About a 50-foot run to that one right there. A little bit shorter for these other two, but going to buy 200 feet of pipe just to be safe. Water main.